there, and look at my blog, and this is Project Stang.
Yours.
My
Put the green one
next
on yours.
project is gonna be.
Put the green one on
No,
yours.
I don't like yours.
It's the same damn thing, only one's green.
No, it's got a different.
Yeah, I know. Mine's got longer fins than yours
yes,
does.
it does.
And I like mine better anyway. But paint it green. Paint it black, I mean.
It will get painted black.
Before it gets put on.
No, I gotta line it first.
Well, then I don't
Normally,
want it.
Normally, when you're doing these, depending on which vehicle it is, this is a 7, that is a 5, and hers is a 6. Well, normally to remove this, and way back with the 07, you might have seen that too. You got 2 bolts here that hold this one here, and it's under this little cover. One's under this little cover, should I say, and then the other one's under here, right in these holes. No problem, right? Well, unfortunately, this one is not set up that way. It has its bolts out here, so those have to be removed. These don't count. See, nothing here. Doesn't count. Couldn't be simple. All I'd have to do is drill a hole here, drill a hole here, put it, bolt it. Good. Same on this side. Fortunately, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. So, I have to drill 2. I got to drill 2 holes here, and dead center, up in here, you got another one. Because that takes care of all 3 posts. So, that's going to be my next project. Stay tuned. Okay. And get these screws here. Got to pop this thing a little bit so you can get that off of the. Whoop. I guess that's the. And this one's a strong one. So that said, you got 2 screws here.
I'd like Earnhardt out of the back window, but it's all warped.
I know.
Can't race them anymore anyway. I guess I might as well leave them there.
Okay, so these screws. I keep these screws because they're going to go back right back in that new hole in the other trunk. Okay, so that's that one. And then we'll take this, pop it back on there. Go to the other side. Pop down just a little bit. Oh, no, it definitely needs both of those.
Yeah, my trunk is heavy, dude.
Both of those
You want me to hold it?
pistons. Yeah, if you will.
Yeah, my trunk's heavy. My trunk always slams shut.
Okay, and this had these little screw covers on them. They got little seal washers on them to keep it from rusting. Okay. One more. Come on.
Here's the crumbs. I see it.
Man. Oh. Last thing you want, it is
Stay poo.
It is coming out. The last thing you want is the Healy coil inside that to be coming with it. Okay. These are fine. Okay. There's that.
The what?
Healy coil. Watch your foot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Prefer you didn't step on it. Hey, look at the spider.
Okay. That takes care of that. Yeah,
Who's he?
look at him. Big daddy long legs.
He's not a daddy long
Hey,
legs.
the daddy long
no, he's
legs.
Not.
Yes, he is.
No, he ain't.
Okay.
I've seen daddy long legs. That ain't him.
What are you doing, Pooh? What'd you eat, dude? Oh, maybe that's hopefully that's a 10. Okay.
Oh, Pooey.
Okay, and that's a 10.
What's the matter with you?
Get that to a certain point. And then we're gonna... She can grab that side, I'll grab this side. No, this is good. Grab the spoiler. You got it?
As it ain't too heavy.
I'll get my finger in there.
Besides, that spider don't come to me.
Okay. Ow. Actually, a ratchet. There we go. Ratchet wrench.
So what's all this crap in here?
It's off of the old motor from this vehicle.
Oh, so that's the rest of my car?
It just happened. That's how you happen
Extra pieces?
How I happen to have an extra belt.
Serpentine belt? Yeah.
You got it? Yeah.
Well, that's good, because we needed it.
I'm just so glad you were only 3 miles from the house.
So am I. Truly. I would have been really upset if I'd have been somewhere else, like an hour away.
Yeah.
Of course, you would have been too.
Yeah. I know it was a quick fix, but...
Yeah, but you made 2 trips back to the house.
I know. Oh, come on. Let go.
Of course, if you'd have asked me to open the hood and look at what was under there, I'd have known if something wasn't right under there.
Well, I know it.
I'd have seen that belt gone.
Well, no, it was still sitting there. It just broke.
Yeah, but I didn't know enough to know, and I had a flashlight.
So, and that would have.
I've always got a flashlight.
I just do that little nut. Do that nut. It's still there. Oh shoot. Okay, it wound up being the whole bolt came with it instead of somebody Loctited it. So that's okay. Because it came right out of here.
Is it the wrong spot? There's a spot below it, dude.
Yeah, no, it's on it. Alright, sweet. A little bit of
Is that broke?
not completely broke. That one's in good shape. I wonder why that one's looking like it is. Maybe just years of dry rot. It doesn't appear to be.
Well, it is broken, isn't it?
Probably just years of this stang here is what, 23 years old, 24. Okay.
Well, if it's broken, doesn't that mean it's not going to work?
Oh, it's gonna be fine. Sweet. There you go. Give it that GT look. She gets her black. We'll paint it black and we'll be able to get some fiberglass in that crack. That'll glue it right back up where it needs to be. It'll look good. Just a matter of getting the holes lined. Holes lined up and drilled. There is part one of swapping out the spoiler from a 95 to a 96. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next project stand.